Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add transitions in Premiere Pro. Let's dive right in. The quickest way to add a transition is to right-click on the cut between your two clips. Then select Apply Default Transition. By default, Premiere Pro will add a cross-dissolve to your video and a constant power transition to your audio. If you're looking for a different type of transition, head over to the Effects panel and expand the Video Transitions list. In each folder, you'll find a variety of transitions to choose from. Find one that you like, then click and drag it to the cut between your clips. For this example, I'll add a page peel transition. After applying it, you might want to fine-tune its settings. To do this, select the transition in your timeline, then go to the Effects Controls panel. Here, you can adjust the duration of the transition, making it faster or slower, and change its direction by clicking on the arrows around the rectangle. That's it for this tutorial on adding transitions in Premiere Pro. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.